Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Nintendo Switch error code 9001-000. The error reads, "An error has occurred. Please try again later." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to purchase something from the Nintendo eShop or the official Nintendo website. According to our research, this error mainly appears because of service maintenance, outages, or an issue while processing purchases through the website. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to visit nintendo.co.jp/netinfo/en.gb/index.html and check if there is any service maintenance or outage. If there is an outage or maintenance, then wait until it ends, and once everything is back to normal, try purchasing the game or membership again. If the error still persists and there is no reported outage or maintenance, then try purchasing the game or membership directly from the Nintendo eShop on your Nintendo Switch console. You need to simply open the eShop on your console and try completing the purchase from there. And check if the error still continues. At last, if nothing helps, and there are no reported outages, and you continue to receive the error even after waiting, then you should contact Nintendo support. To contact the Nintendo support team, visit Nintendo.com and select the support option from the footer section. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.